Understanding shaft repair, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, shaft repair. This might seem like a technical term, but it's a great example of how English can be used in specific contexts, particularly in engineering or mechanical fields. Let's dive in and demystify this phrase together. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts, shaft and repair. A shaft is a long, cylindrical piece of metal or other material that rotates or transmits power in machinery. You can find shafts in things like car engines or heavy machinery. The word repair means to fix something that is broken or damaged. So, when we combine these words, shaft repair refers to the process of fixing a damaged or malfunctioning shaft in a machine. Now, let's see how shaft repair is used in context. It's a phrase you might encounter in industrial settings, mechanical workshops, or engineering discussions. For instance, a mechanic might say, "The motor is not working because the shaft needs repair." This means that the problem with the motor is due to a faulty shaft, which needs to be fixed. To fully understand shaft repair, it's helpful to know some related vocabulary. Mechanic, a person who repairs and maintains machinery. Malfunction, when something does not work correctly. Cylindrical, having the shape of a cylinder. Transmit, to pass something from one place to another. Industrial, related to industry or manufacturing. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning of shaft repair and given you insight into how specific English phrases are used in technical contexts. Remember, understanding such phrases not only improves your vocabulary but also your comprehension of English in various professional fields. See you in our next video, and happy learning!